In this lecture, we're going to be looking at class static attributes. Now, what is a class static attribute? A class static attribute is nothing more but an attribute, but it belongs to a class. It does not belong to any object of that class. So again, we can also use these attributes and call them directly from our class within our PHP code, and we can modify or assign new values throughout our PHP code. So that's the big difference between constant attributes and constants. With constants, again, you cannot change the value once you assign it, but with class constant attributes, we can change the values throughout our PHP program. I'm going to dive right into it. So I'm going to start with my PHP code, and I'll declare my class, and this time I'll call it person like usual. Open and close curly braces, and we're going to start with a public accessor. So we want to use the keyword public because we want to access it outside of the class as well. So we're using the access modifier feature or the visibility feature of our attributes. So public, next keyword is static because it belongs to our class, not an object. And we can just call it name. I'll just say full name. Full name. Okay? And this time I'll assign it the default value, Jadian Forte. And pretty much that's it. We're done. If we want to define more, you can declare as many as you want, but just rename these as well. And with these attributes, you have to remember, when you're accessing them, we have to use a $ just for class attributes or class static attributes. So let me do the age, and just as a rule of thumb, I like to use all uppercase letters, so full name. And for the age, of course, I'll do 18. And let's display these. So we can do an echo statement to display them, and I'll just say person ::, and I'll just use the full name with the $. So we'll do that. I'll do another echo statement up front and call it full name to output it a little neater. Another echo statement, I'll just use 2 HTML breaks. Okay, and I'll do age for the text, and echo person : then the $, with age. Okay, so let's see how that looks in our browser. Refresh it. Congratulations, look what we have. Full name, Jadian Forte, and the age is 18. So again, with these class static attributes, we can modify these attributes at any time. So if I do this, I'll add 2 more breaks, and let's modify this data. So I'll just put echo name changed to, and I'll actually do the actual modification here. I'll take that, copy and paste, and use an assignment operator to assign the new name. So I'll just do Bobby Harrison for the first name. And then I'll do for the person age, BR, and I'll do person age with that $. We'll assign it the value of 24. We can do an echo statement as well. The age was changed to echo person, because we're calling the class static attribute from the person class, not from an object. And I'll just do the age. Take this attribute, class attributes, and apply it there. So let's see what we have now. Go to our browser, click refresh, and look what we have. We still have our defaults, JD and Forte, age 18, name changed to, oh, give me 1 second, guys. So name changed to, oh, I never spit out that information. Sorry about that, guys. Person, full name, of course with the $. So there we go. Go back to our browser, refresh. So there we have it. Full name, JD and Forte, age 18, name changed to Bobby Harrison, and the age was changed to 24. So congratulations, guys. That's how we declare and set up our class static attributes, and this is how we use them. We use the class name followed by the two colons and the attribute, class static attribute with the $.